Today we're doing a Peachy Spring makeup tutorial. So I'm first just starting with the concealer, the same concealer that I outline my eyebrows with, and it's by MAC. I think it's like NC30 or something like that. Then today we're going to be working with the Morphe palette. I'm obsessed. I got this at Ulta, and it's relatively an easy price, or a cheap price. It's like $20 for that amount of shades, which is impressive. So we're just taking that first shade and doing a transition, and then we'll be working with this peach shade throughout the tutorial. We're going to start with that on the outside of your eyelid, like the outer V, and then blend it upwards into your crease. So this first clip that I'm doing right now, I decided to keep it in real time so you could see just how much time I take when I blend to get that nice diffuse look. So just keep on blending the color until you get the intensity that you like. Now we're taking these two shades and we're just going to place that on the eyebrow bone to make it a smooth transition between the peach and the eyebrow color. And then you're going to go back with that same peach tone and just smudge it on your lower lid. I've been liking to smudge the color on my lower lid before my concealer because, you know, your girl's got wrinkles, so I'm trying everything so my concealer doesn't settle into those lines and make it more noticeable, and I just found that this works best so far. I am trying something that's not Drugstore. It is the Pore Professional by Benefit, but I got it as a gift with the purchase, so I wanted to try it out today. And this foundation is the Maybelline 24 Hour. It's the new formula that they just came out with. So I've been loving this one. It is full coverage. The only downside to it is that it does oxidize. So the shade that is going on my face currently, it does end up being a little bit darker. So just be sure to blend it down your neck if you do get that. And then we're going in with Tarte Shape Tape. This isn't Drugstore either, I'm sorry, but you can use the Fit Me concealer. I use the shade Sand, but I used a lot of the Fit Me Maybelline line today, so just throw that one on there too. This one's by the Maybelline Fit Me line too. It's the translucent loose powder. Obsessed. Get your hands on it, girl, because it's like $5 and it's the bomb dizzle, okay? Bomb dizzle. And I just take this and I just pack it under my eyes everywhere you put concealer, and then I do go all over and pack it on all over my face. I just feel like it really gives you that airbrushed finish when you go in and pack it on all over your face. And you can set everything in place as well, like I'm doing now. And then just a trick, so my makeup tends to settle on the corner of my nose, so be sure to pack that powder in there, and then it doesn't seem to break down as quickly. Also from the Maybelline Fit Me line is this, it's actually just a powder foundation, but I'm using it as a bronzer. It's the shade Mocha. Don't forget your neck, girl. And then we're going in with the Milani Luminoso blush. Girl, this is my favorite, especially for the spring, summer. It's also, you can get this at like Walmart or Ulta. And then, girl, this isn't Drugstore. Don't hate me, but I do have a replacement that you can move in its place. But this new highlighter I picked up, it's by Estee Lauder Heat Wave. I've never tried it before, but girl, loving it, loving it. If you don't want to buy or splurge the Estee Lauder, girl, you don't have to. I got you with the Maybelline Chrome. It's basically the same shade. The Estee Lauder one might just be a little bit lighter, but you can always replace it with that Drugstore, girl. Hit them cheeks, temples, anywhere you go, we can go in and blend out so it's not so intense. Took a minute to get that top lip to glow, but we got it. Oh, key to spring is to make your skin glow. So I'm highlighting extra spots. I just want to be glowy, looking like I got great skin. And then we're going to go back with that same pink shade on the bottom lash line. And just since we put on concealer and packed on some powder, we're just going to go in and touch it up a little bit. Then you can just take your blender brush and just blend it all out so there's no harsh lines. You can take down the intensity of the highlighter with this and then go in and spray it with your, I have Fix Plus, but you can use the infallible spray as well that's located at the drugstore. And then this is from L'Oreal, it's 535, it's a nice nude, and the gloss is Peachy something, sorry, by Revlon. Mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic on my bottom lash line. And then girl, I got a little tip for you. Yep, you can use it on your eyebrows, girl, like as an eyebrow setting gel. Except I've been obsessed using this because I feel like it separates your hairs and just intensifies it with the color. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.
Not get the message, you still stutter after certain one, and you gon' have to learn to hold your tongue and hold the gun. And we all know you ain't that type. I smack you in the bitch that you act like.
I'm feeling it, Cardi. I'm feeling it.